In recent years, empirical studies have proliferated that try to read the mind through brain activity. Using neurotechnologies, the possibility of accessing thoughts, intentions, or memories is posed. This promise, although on the borderline between science and fiction, creates important challenges for the legal sphere. If you're interested in the topic, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give like to this video. The intersection between neuroscience and law is fascinating and is constantly evolving. Join us on this journey to discover how it can change the way we understand justice. Justice has always sought tools to discern truth in trials. From ancient ordeals to the use of polygraph, the search for truth has been constant. However, many of these techniques lack solid empirical support to ensure its effectiveness. Neuroscientific techniques seem to offer a new hope as they focus on measuring neuronal activity. This advance could overcome the limitations of previous methods. Instead of evaluating physical responses, the aim is to observe brain activity that reflects what a person knows or remembers. With this approach, witnesses in a trial could not hide the truth. Technology would allow for more accurate reconstruction of facts, facilitating the knowledge of what really happened. This objective is fundamental in any judicial process. In Spain, the P300 test has been an antecedent in the application of techniques based on brain activity. Since 2014, some judges have begun to accept this method that records electrical signals from the brain. It is based on how the brain reacts to visual stimuli related to memories. Although it has been used for cases of missing persons, the results have been incomplete. The validity and reliability of the P300 test still give rise to many doubts in the judicial sphere. It is crucial to analyze what these technologies can really measure in order to avoid erroneous condemnations. Human memory is not a faithful recording of reality. It is malleable and susceptible to alterations. This characteristic can give rise to false memories that are indistinguishable from the true ones. If real memories cannot be distinguished from false ones, the question arises, what do these tests measure? It is based on the fact that lying requires more cognitive effort than telling the truth, which is reflected in the brain. However, this model has significant limitations. Rather than reading the mind, these tools offer a limited representation of the lie. The interpretation of neuroscientific data must be done with caution. The illusion of certainty can be dangerous in the judicial context, where an error can have serious consequences. Despite the attractive headlines about detecting lies in the brain, science is more complex. Experts warn that we cannot yet access a person's thoughts or accurately determine the truth. Justice continues to face the difficult task of discerning the truth from falsehood.